CN Molding, professional insert molding manufacturer. High-precision, high-strength insert molding solutions. Company profile. CN Molding is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the design, manufacturing, and production of insert molding molds. We are committed to providing global customers with high-precision, high-stability insert molding solutions for applications in automotive, electronics, medical, home appliances, and industrial components. With advanced machining equipment, extensive industry experience, and a strict quality control system, CN Molding has become a long-term partner for many renowned companies worldwide, offering one-stop services from mold development to mass production. Key advantages. Insert molding is an efficient process where metal or non-metal inserts such as nuts, screws, terminals, or sensors are pre-placed into the mold and then encapsulated with plastic. Compared to traditional assembly methods, CN Molding's insert molding technology offers the following benefits. 1. High-strength bonding. The plastic encapsulates the insert with high strength, ensuring superior pull-out force and torque resistance, thereby preventing any loosening or detachment to cost efficiency by eliminating post-molding assembly processes. This method reduces labor costs and minimizes assembly errors, thus significantly enhancing production efficiency. 3. High-precision molding. Precision-engineered molds guarantee accurate positioning of the insert and uniform encapsulation of the plastic, meeting stringent engineering requirements. 4. Wide insert compatibility. This technology supports a variety of materials for inserts, including metals such as copper, aluminum, and stainless steel, and non-metallic options, addressing diverse industry needs. 5. Material versatility. It is compatible with both thermoplastics, for example, ABS, PCPA, PARM, and thermosetting plastics, for example, phenolic resins, fulfilling various performance requirements across applications. CN Molding single quotes as core competencies. 1. Advanced mold design and manufacturing. CAM CAE simulation is utilized to optimize the mold structure, ensuring stability and enhancing the accuracy of insert positioning. High precision CNC machining, EDM, electrical discharge machining, and mirror polishing are employed to guarantee mold durability and superior product surface quality. 2. Mature insert molding process automated. Systems for insert placement improve production efficiency and maintain consistency in manufacturing processes. Rigorous process control over parameters such as temperature, pressure, and injection speed effectively prevents issues like insert misalignment and insufficient plastic filling. 3. Rigorous quality inspection. Advanced inspection methods, including 3D scanning, pull-out tests, torque tests, and others, ensure that the bonding strength of inserts complies with industry standards ISO 9001, IATF 16949. Closing parenthesis. 4. Wide industry applications. Automotive, sensor housings, connectors, gear assemblies, electronics, PCB inserts, switch components, heat dissipation modules, medical devices, surgical instrument handles, disposable medical inserts, home appliances, buttons, fasteners, structural parts. Why choose CN? 30 years of experience, successfully served 500+ global customers in insert molding. Rapid response, efficient project support from mold design to mass production. Cost optimization, process improvements, reduce scrap rates, and save costs. Custom solutions, tailored services, including multi-cavity molds, hot runner systems, and automated insert placement. Contact us if you are looking for a reliable insert molding supplier. CN Molding is your ideal partner. Contact us for customized solutions, professional technical support, and high-quality service. Email webmaster@cnmolding.com. Website www.cnmolding.com. CN Molding, your expert in precision insert molding, enhancing product competitiveness.